What's going on, co-rollers? This is Po Boy coming at you. Hey guys, we're going to continue working on the Ugly Betty project. Today we're going to go ahead and put some of that gel coat, so stay tuned. Alright guys, so we're going to go ahead and start applying some of the gel coat on the bumper, so that way we could, let it sit there and cure, and meanwhile we'll probably find something else to do, but let's see how it all goes for now. We are probably gonna have to apply another coat of the PVA due to the fact that, with the morning dew and all that stuff, you get a little bit of water, and since PVA is water soluble, it kind of dissipates and runs out, but it looks pretty well covered, just a couple spots, so we'll continue working on that now. Let me just give you a quick overview. So you can see there, all the clay still in place. So now we're gonna go ahead and put some more PVA. I don't know if you can see some of the areas there that may need some. And we'll continue from there to letting the PVA dry, and then we'll go ahead and apply the tooling gel coat. Alright, co-rollers, so as you guys were able to see, I went ahead and touched up with a second coat of PVA over on the bumper there, and we applied also the gel coat. Let me give you a quick view there. Yeah, that's one orange bumper. It looks like glow in the dark almost. Anyway, as you saw in that little previous clip also, I went ahead and removed the rail guards for the tops of the bed here, and we're going to be doing some blanking out. I'm going to cover these stick holds here, and we'll continue from there. Let's keep on going.
usually go out this late at night, to the place where the animals go. But baby, I'm here and I'm watching you move. There's just one thing you should know. Girl, you are my fire, all that you desire. Swear I'm not a liar, you should dance with me. You should get to know me, kick it with the homies. Let go of your worries, you should dance with me. Swear I'm not a liar, you should dance with me. You should get to know me, kick it with the homies. Let go of your worries, you should dance with me.
Alright, co-rollers, so we're back inside, all cleaned up, feeling fresh and nice. As you guys know, today is Christmas, so Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays for you guys who don't celebrate Christmas. We respect each and every one of you. We want to say thank you for getting us up to 713 subscribers. We're really stoked about that, and we can't wait to get to the 1,000. As you guys were able to see today, we went ahead and applied the gel coat all over the bumper section, as well as we started working on the bed side. We went ahead and blanked out all the stake holes, and as well as, you know, any little ding and dent that the bed may have had, as well as we blanked out the gas filler caps, or the gas filler doors. As you guys know, that truck comes on a dual tank setup, so it has two of them. But I went ahead and I want to delete them both, so that way when we do the fiberglass panel, it's just a one-piece blank for canvas for us to work with. And I definitely am looking forward to all the progress that is coming up. Like I said, I had to cut it short a little bit today because it is Christmas and want to spend some time with the family. And but I want to say thank you because you guys have brought us up to 713 subscribers so far. Yes, we do get a lot more views than that. However, you know, the subscriber to view is very different. It's two different things. But I'm very stoked about it. If you haven't subscribed and you like, you know, the content that we're bringing, please do so. It will help the channel out to continue bringing more and more content and better content in the future. So once again, thank you so much for being there with us. I can't wait to the next video so I can show you the next step of our progress, which reminds me, I just went and picked up this morning. We went ahead and picked up the shed or the portable garage. I'm so stoked about that. That's gonna help us keep us out of the weather while we're working and making videos for you guys. So thank you once again. You'll see next video. It's gonna bring, you know, the shed and all that. I'm gonna have to build it up before I do the next video due to the fact that, you know, we don't want to have more delays on the way. But you guys will be able to see it. Hopefully you guys are stoked as well. So thank you once again. I love you guys. Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, and remember, let the coal roll.